Hello and welcome to Bright Tech USA, your hub for smart tech tips. In today's digital world, your online privacy is more important than ever, especially if you live in the United States, where data tracking and cyber threats are increasing every day. So in this video, I'll share 7 simple but powerful tips to protect your online privacy in 2025. Let's get started. Tip 1. Use a strong, unique password. The first step to staying safe online is using a strong and unique password. Never reuse the same password for multiple accounts. Instead, create passwords that are long, include numbers, symbols, and uppercase letters. Better yet, use a password manager like LastPass, 1Password, or Bitword. These generate and store secure passwords for you. Tip 2. Turn on Two-Factor Authentication. Always enable Two-Factor Authentication 2FA on your accounts. This means even if hackers get your password, they'll still need a special code sent to your phone or email. Apps like Google Authenticator or Authy make this process even more secure. Tip 3. Use a VPN in the USATIP. Number 3. Always use a VPN virtual private network when browsing. A VPN hides your IP address and keeps your online activity private, especially on public WI-V. Popular options include Proton VPN, NordVPN, and ExpressVPN. This is super important in the USA, where ISPs often track and sell browsing data. Tip number 4. Be careful on public Wi-Fi. 245 to 330 public Wi-Fi, like at cafes, airports, or libraries. This may look convenient, but it's risky. Hackers can intercept your data while you're connected. Always use a VPN or avoid logging into sensitive accounts like banking when you're on public WI-V. Tip 5. Check app permissions. Most people don't realize that apps collect way more data than they should. Go to your phone's settings and review which apps have access to your location, microphone, or contacts. Turn off unnecessary permissions. You'll be shocked at how many apps track you in the background. Tip 6. Keep your software updated. Hackers often exploit outdated apps and operating systems. Always keep your Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS devices updated with the latest security patches. Updates may feel annoying, but they close security holes that hackers love to use. Tip 7. Use encrypted messaging apps. Finally, protect your private conversations instead of regular SMS. Use encrypted apps like Signal, WhatsApp, or Telegram. These apps use end-to-end encryption, meaning only you and the person you're talking to can read the messages. So, those were my 7 simple tips to protect your online privacy in the USA in 2025. Remember, your data is valuable, so don't give hackers or companies easy access to it. Which of these tips do you already use? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bright Tech USA for more weekly tech and privacy tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.